Most drivers buy the wrong car cover. And they don't realize it until their paint starts fading, water gets trapped underneath, or the first strong wind sends the cover halfway down the street. Cheap car covers look fine online, but in real life? They rip fast, scratch your paint, and fail exactly when bad weather hits. I tested some of the top-rated outdoor car covers in heat, rain, dust, and heavy wind, so you don't waste your money on junk. And if you've ever bought a car accessory that fell apart after one season, hit subscribe because we test this stuff the way real drivers actually use it. Updated prices and best deals are linked below, and if you're not sure what cover size fits your vehicle, drop your car in the comments and I'll help you out. Starting at number 5, the Neverland Car cover. The first thing you notice with the Neverland cover is how lightweight and easy it is to handle. Some heavy-duty covers are so bulky they become annoying to use every day. This one folds quickly, slips over the car easily, and still gives solid protection against dust, sunlight, tree sap, and light rain. The material feels smoother than a lot of cheap covers too, which matters because rough inner linings can slowly damage paint over time. It also comes with elastic edges and securing straps, so it doesn't feel loose and sloppy once installed. Now in real-world use, this cover works best for drivers who park outside regularly but don't deal with extreme weather every day. I tested it during hot sunny afternoons and overnight dust buildup, and it kept the car noticeably cleaner while helping reduce interior heat. That matters more than people think. Constant UV exposure destroys paint and dashboards over time. The only downside is it's not the thickest option for heavy storms or snow, but for everyday outdoor protection at a budget-friendly price, it performs surprisingly well. But this next one fixes one of the biggest complaints drivers had with lightweight covers. At number 4, the DINGHAO Car cover. Right away, this one feels tougher. The material is thicker, the stitching feels more reinforced, and the overall fit is tighter and more secure once you strap it down. You also get reflective strips for nighttime visibility, which honestly sounds minor until you park on darker streets or crowded apartment lots. Small feature. Big difference. It also includes a zippered driver side access panel, which becomes incredibly convenient when you need quick access without fully removing the cover. Here's where this thing surprised me. In real-world windy conditions, it stayed put much better than a lot of cheaper covers I've tested. And trust me, cheap covers usually fail here. They flap around constantly and eventually start tearing at stress points. The DINGHAO felt more stable, especially around the wheel straps and elastic corners. The only drawback is the thicker material takes slightly longer to fold and store, but honestly, I'd trade that for better durability any day. Now this is where things start getting serious. Coming in at number 3, the Motor Trend SafeKeeper heavy-duty car cover. The moment you pull this out of the bag, it feels more premium than the budget options. The multi-layer construction feels dense without being overly stiff, and the inner lining is noticeably softer against the paint. Motor Trend also designed this with reinforced seams and better water resistance than most entry-level covers, which instantly makes it feel more trustworthy for long-term outdoor use. And this is what most buyers don't realize. Water resistance alone isn't enough. A good outdoor cover also needs breathability, so moisture doesn't get trapped underneath. After testing this through rainy days and humid mornings, I noticed the car stayed much drier underneath compared to some cheaper waterproof covers that basically turned into condensation traps. Seriously. This shocked me. The balance between protection and airflow here is excellent. The only thing I didn't love is sizing can run slightly large on smaller sedans, so double-check measurements before ordering. But overall, this is where the quality jump becomes very noticeable. But the next one solves a completely different problem, especially for SUV owners. At number 2, the Favoto SUV Car cover. A lot of car covers claim to fit SUVs, but once you actually install them, they either fit too tight around the rear or hang awkwardly loose near the bumpers. The Favoto was clearly designed with larger vehicles in mind. The dimensions feel more accurate, the coverage is better around taller body panels, and the securing system handles larger vehicles without feeling stretched to the limit. You also get a surprisingly durable waterproof layer, combined with UV-resistant material that feels built for year-round exposure. In real-world testing, this thing handled rough weather impressively well. I used it during heavy rain and windy overnight conditions on a midsize SUV, and the cover stayed secure while keeping the vehicle significantly cleaner underneath. That's huge if you park outdoors daily. It also held up well against bird droppings and falling debris from trees, which are things many drivers underestimate until paint correction costs show up later. The only downside is it's bulkier than lighter covers, so storing it in smaller trunks can be slightly annoying. But for SUV owners wanting serious outdoor protection, this one delivers. And now, the number 1 pick. This is the cover I kept trusting the most during testing. At number 1, the EzyShade 10-layer car cover. This thing immediately feels different from the moment you touch it. The 10-layer construction gives it a thicker, more protective feel without becoming ridiculously heavy or hard to manage. It has reinforced stitching, weatherproof materials, reflective safety strips, mirror pockets that actually line up correctly, and one of the softest inner linings I tested. Nothing about it feels cheap. Even the storage bag feels more premium than what most brands include. But the real reason this took the top spot is confidence. In real-world use, this was the cover I worried about the least. Heavy sun? No problem. Rainstorms? Solid. Windy nights? Still secure in the morning. After testing it for weeks, it consistently protected the vehicle better than almost every other option here. And this is where cheaper covers usually fail long-term reliability. They look okay on day one, then start degrading fast. The EzyShade held up incredibly well. What also impressed me was the fitment system. A poorly fitting cover creates stress points, trapped moisture, and unnecessary movement against the paint. This one hugged the vehicle properly without feeling overly tight. The only downside is it costs more than the budget options, but honestly, repainting damaged clear coat costs a whole lot more than investing in a quality cover once. So here's the breakdown. If you want affordable everyday protection for basic outdoor parking, the Neverland is a solid budget-friendly option. The DINGHAO is better for drivers dealing with stronger winds and rougher conditions. The Motor Trend SafeKeeper is the best balance between durability and breathability for long-term outdoor use. SUV owners should seriously look at the Favoto because the fit and protection are excellent for larger vehicles. But overall, if you want the best combination of weather resistance, durability, fitment, and long-term protection, the EzyShade easily takes the number 1 spot. And trust me, a good car cover is way cheaper than fixing faded paint, damaged trim, or constant detailing bills later. Most people wait until their car already looks rough before realizing how important protection actually is. If this video helped you avoid buying a cheap cover that'll fail after one season, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and product tests. Links to all the products and updated prices are down below, and if you've found a car cover that survived brutal weather conditions, drop it in the comments because I'm always testing new gear. Stay safe out there and protect that paint.